중매 다시 두고 초네 공사 jamgun 첨부 초기 두개 담자시 골 permis 라달 급에 골 숭셰난규. Next, we will have a speech by one of our Tangshab Tugu Rinpoche, who is grown here, and he will represent the Tibetan youth in Minnesota.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I will first do a speech in Tibetan, then I will top it off with English. Peri Shintun Sopa, Unite, Longonyanga Koe, Tuden Sunzi, Gaton la Chet Pepi, Jail Gendun Namba, Upamidi Zuji, Sitsap, Paden Churikala, Yutokama Yeletang, Shangari Pech Tenjo Komodup Sirincho, Shangari Chintunabani, Tejan, Sani Kaki, Peri Shintun Sobi Genzen Namba, Sani Jiperi Kundu Nambata, Melisoti Shintun Sobi Jale Namba, Jaya, Sode Kaki, Tutsap Nambata, Memoyola, Tamditashi Dele Shujuyans. Peri Shintun Sobi, Jale Nambi, Tenin Kituchendi Vito, Shinar Konsa Shangun Chembo Choki, Zenam Tandre Kola, Kechashu Guji, Bokal Nawajan, Tikashi Shujur. Shu Ranja Kanje Bilakal, Panchu Sheneze, Mi Number Roa, Konsa Shangun Chembo Choki, Sonsum Chizepa Taishi Patani, Ranja Tama Bijepi Yolin Dijang. Tomondo Jinangor, Jawa Tanji Chemba, Ji Gendun Trupata, Jawa Ngaba Chembo, Oloza Janso, Jancho Kizan Janso Sumchi, Zetun Shoji the Damba Lejang, Konsa Shanga Chembo, Kundi Juju Bachoki, Tendandoi Tendo, Gonje Ting Sabla, Labjinji Zepa Tine Hachang Jachishin, Namdantai Pashi, Janda Jaja Pinani, Zamle Na, Yos Chapi, Tuche Tamcho Sumbo Dada, Ngaran Tsu, Shipitoni, Kadin Jideshe, Gupal de Kachembo de Tenchi. Ngaralona Chuada, Jirum Jelobjo Shenkin Tichani, Jachembo Shijime, Yenawa, Teni Tendi Jutsulto, Zechisum Tandre Kola, Tsikashi Shujur. Zechin Tambote, Konsa Shanga Jambochoni, Jim to Zamni Sasho Kansar, Kalap Nanka, Droa Mishi Bichani, Mei Rintang Kontor Tonjutan, Droa Mi Shitola, Shidepel Juyan, Shi Sunki Yore. Zamni Chela, Mutan Tushu Dunju Zamyapa, Tanji Dunga Mendo Pata, Dewan de Ba Chiji Yamba Tenala Nang, Senji Deji Pejela Chenji Gomba Jachambuji Nang Gomba Jiba Juzu Kungala Manzempar, Zamle Yultro Konsa Chipjo Nashin. Memala, Shambada, Hinji, Zesen Sochi, Penson Zazi Chembu, Nyadu Punundu Shizunte, Hana Mepi, Semla Shiderin, Tanchi Chepelte, Konsa Tali Lama Shi Tenyen, Zamni Sasho Konsa Chapte, Ju Kunji Tudu Kuba Mase, Chapato, Zamni Na, Chin Yambatapi, Nobel Shide Sindata, Ari Tuzoji Sech Tama, Timba Lej Tami Tumbi Tama Jadata. Yadache Tolop Kaki Shachir Jakache Messe Shacheso Bulji Nante Tati Par Zamnik Loju Nang Zinta Mashun Jike Lapchinchi Utushi the Churio Zecheni Pariso Manchepi Shiwata Nambi Chulu Parta Nancy Pejan Nante Saki Kanye Penda Chibi Chuju Pala Tutun Tumsan Pension Tanaki Chatap Nayo Teya, Konsa Choni Nambani, Shurut Churwa, Yushu, Kache, Hindu So, Nampi Par, Tadru Munda Mato, Shamsen Yamle Shenken Chi Juyen Bata Droa Mela Pendant Rupken Chi Juyen Bichani Shiro the Churi Chulu Tama Kusi Shugu Sunanki Ye Sumba Chijin Shanen de Tarte Chulu Tedaki Ututa Lachena Batan Pension Yishun Punen de Shizunte Jatet Nawatan Shambatan Ninji Zosen Kompeton Tapkola Donle Nawa Sochi Lamni Shinanki Chulu War Pension Zatun Tamsab Shuye Tenga Potatarvi Nanchu Te Tumbachanin Diji Le person be Tambichu Chama Mepa Pela Tachap Shishi Yenawa Nilu Chichu Mato Pataki Pejilami Ranzo Shiba Yulu Londe Shichi Te Demba Mebe Dibjeto Peju Nanten Tejin Panalendane Jibitado Chmame Yeshi Pendu Chudunchi Shatan Satunto Sande Sasum Nande Tarbina Lateni Zamnishi Mampo Nambita Dobla Yuan Trobatan Chulu Jenda Mandawa Zamni Na Chinyamba Tabi Tseri Ping Shite Tinduji Risa Tseri Tampubanyam Shivshetu Bashuye Pojun Nante Sagi Kanyi Risu Manchepi Jesula Tusa Nyamji Nante Chipin Nashi Chuju Teda Tam Yulu Penta Chipar Shinyam Zishonawi Kadin Latene Chuju Nam Pensun Tutun Tumson Tananki Chapatam Chuju Tsami Chiu Jendo Kurshi Tembida Pochuye Zechen Sumba Te Pedun Denta Setap Naye Shur Pachu Sheni Zechen Namtul Konsashongi Chembochoni Cherap Chuan Mamborjila Pemeri Gunja Punyen Zeye Sheparto Konsakoni Chuju Pa Chembochoni Pejni Tang Zara Nyanda Jindu Churi Kapsu Gunda Chuduni Chusuni Chi Utuchi Tugenji Brahma Chiputin Dushi Ki Utubi Tenjo Manzu Jung Sarzu Nante Rumjum Maman Ki Widem Shipi Utula Titranaye Dona Pemeri Rawan Lasso Tuntu Jabe Par Nipe Umelamni Pedun Dinda Seltap Tang Kangi Tumo Manye Be Deja Chui Rancha Pemenamji Jela Shangyenji Sempi Shanchuji Sentam Tonye Jitawi Koto Peltap Sur Nanchula Lomyer Gupa Pei Li Jembi Ke Jeme Be Rintan Chewi Pechiki Yujong Gupa Peminam Mipe Rupi Yarab Zanshu Denje Gusuchi Kalopza Danza Shinye Dushu Chamni Tamba Shinor Konsa Shangwe Chembo Choki Turetar Mari Ranyu Jike Dan Rijum Tumu Chechu Munyam Junzo Shegupa Hachan Kalche Yamba Ngunzo Shugiyo Ngarang Patu Jeyebe Ngoni Koyuta Shutso Chinda Shina Salo Shegu Shumana Matupar Pemeri Jingowo Chu Dan Rijum Kei Sola Junga Yopa Shi Nipa Shetu Pa Chusen Tembo Yom Tadun Shino Konsa Shangwe Chembo Choki Zamle Shide Penkej Labjinji Mana Taki Shabe Tenji Tuji Tada Drupi Mendo Shujayan Tuji Che. Oh, that was weak. Thank you for asking me to say a few words today as we celebrate the Tibetan American Foundation of Minnesota's 25th anniversary. I am happy to see all of you and thank our honored guests and the government officials who made time to join us today. I know that it is due to the kindness of many people that we are celebrating this wonderful occasion. The Tibetan community welcomes Honorable Kala Venerable Yutokama Yele of the Department of Religion and Culture of the Central Tibetan Administration of Dharamsala. And we welcome His Excellency Ngurup Tsinila, who represents His Holiness the Dalai Lama, in addition to the two officials who represent the Central Tibetan Administration of North America. I am 11 years old, still considered young, and don't know everything that His Holiness the Dalai Lama does every day. But as TAFM's Board of Directors asked me to speak to you, I will share what I understand about him. I am very grateful to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama as we have a very happy and healthy Tibetan community here in Minnesota due to his kindness and support. Without his efforts and activities, none of this would exist for us as a community. I am very inspired by the example of how His Holiness the Dalai Lama lives his life as a spiritual leader in our world. As I understand it, he has three main responsibilities. First, he has devoted his life to traveling the world and meeting with spiritual leaders and political leaders to increase peace and kindness in our world. He has also requested that we make our planet free of war and destroy our weapons. He has made me understand that world peace is dependent on each of us being a patient and kind person. Second, he has dedicated his life to practicing and teaching Buddhism. To Tibetans, he is the great Bodhisattva Chenrezig in person. Thousands of devotees attend his teachings on Buddhist philosophy all over the world. Third, he has been especially kind to Tibetans living inside and outside of Tibet. He has taken care of us as our families have settled in cities all over the world, including in Minnesota. In conclusion, I really appreciate the kindness of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and hope to always remember to follow his example in my life. I wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama and everyone who is working for peace in this world a very long life. I also wish all of you here today much happiness and a good life. Thank you.